This year, we've been constantly improving the gameplay of roaming and EXP lane, and it's been awesome seeing some OG heroes make their comeback. Later, we'll be rolling out balance changes for the upcoming M7 Championship, recognizing the unsung roamers, rewarding skillful plays, and keeping the meta fresh. Through these goals and more, we're committed to elevating your game experience. This patch also packs improvements for many features. A brand new clip sharing feature is also dropping soon. You'll be able to clip and share your plays instantly with a recording overlay. So, get ready to show off those stylish skills to all your friends.